The Whispering Tree. In a quiet forest, there stood an old whispering tree. Every morning, the animals gathered around it to hear stories about nature. One sunny day, a little rabbit named Lila hopped close and asked,
"Whispering tree, why does the wind always talk to us?"
The tree swayed its branches gently and replied,
"The wind carries messages from faraway places. It tells us when the rain is coming, when the season is changing, and when to rest."
Lila smiled.
"Is that why the leaves dance?"
"Yes.
The tree said.
They dance because they are happy to hear the wind's stories."
That day, Lila sat under the tree, listening to the wind and feeling grateful for the wonders of nature.
Now it's your turn to read.
Questions and answers. 1. Question. Why do animals gather around the whispering tree?
Because the tree tells stories about nature every morning.
2. Question. What does the wind carry, according to the whispering tree?
The wind carries messages from faraway places, like when rain or a new season is coming.
3. Question. Why do the leaves dance when the wind blows?
The leaves dance because they are happy to hear the wind stories.
Great job!
Yay!
For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.